Hi everyone, this is a toilet cleaning set. It comes with 6 sponges. I measure a sponge to have a thickness of a 1/2 inch, a diameter just a little over 2.5 inches. You have your wand and it comes separate. You get 2 pieces and then I just inserted one into the other. The wand has this sliding lever, and when you slide this down, it opens this up so you can pick up your sponge. And you can, when you press it down, it will also release the sponge. So press that down, picks up a sponge. When you're done using it, you just throw it away like such. You also have a storage caddy. You put the sponges in here. When I am done, I would just put the wand, and that automatically closes the storage caddy. And what I would do with these sponges is place them in here. When I need to get one, I don't have to touch the sponge. I can just do that and then go clean. When I'm done cleaning, I can throw it away. I hope this gives you an idea of how this toilet cleaning set works. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.